Hello guys, Brian here. It's been months, but today I'm back here for another Jurassic World Rebirth toy unboxing. I got a handful of toys, so let's just get started. Starting off from the only non-Jurassic World Rebirth toy I have. Or Jurassic World Rebirth line. It's the Hypsilophodon from the Jurassic World Chaos Theory line. You know what? This is the front right here. Front that has the Jurassic symbol over here, Jurassic World T-Rex symbol right here as well. Also, this symbol. I actually don't understand what it is. I mean, it's supposed to be a picture of a dinosaur, but I'm not sure what this symbolizes though. Here's the back. Shows you all the ones that you can also collect. I don't have these two ones, and I actually have this Dimetrodon, but it's from the Dominion line. The Dominion line Dimetrodon is like the exact same as this one. So let's get to unboxing because I don't want to wait here for long because we got like a handful of toys. Okay, this string here on the leg is actually kind of hard to cut open. Or not. Alright, here it is, the Hypsilophodon. It stands, obviously. I mean, most of the Jurassic World toys can stand at this point. I mean, all the ones from the Mattel Jurassic World line can stand. Should be obvious. But anyways, for the color scheme, it's actually a red, orange, and yellow color. I mean, it's actually really cool. Kind of like it. I also like this feathering as well. Kind of feathers on the tail, and also the legs, and also the head. It shows some two crests on the head right here. This nice yellow eye. I also thought in like the pictures when I saw this one, the Hypsilophodon, I thought the head would be a lot bigger than this, but you know what? I still like the size of the head. For articulation, the head can go up and down. The arms can move. So does the legs and the tail, but it's just a 360 rotation. It's not like a ball joint one. And this one has the scan code on the back. Overall, I mean, it's not a very good figure, but it's still an okay figure. Put it right there. Now for these next ones, these are all from the Jurassic World Rebirth line. So this is the Frenzy Pack Minicoria. I think it's called Minicoria. It's a Hadrosaur. There's the back. I actually have these two. I think it's called Bepiosaurus right here, the red one, and the green one, Archaeolithomimus. There we go. Oh gosh. Here it is, the Minicoria. Has a blue body with some orange stripes on the back. There's like two of them over here. And this head with the crest. It's also proportionally, the body's like this, like kind of, I don't know, maybe it's like a slant, or maybe it's like this position, which is different from the other Hadrosaurs. I like, shook the table. I like the design still, although for the paint job, I think this like a tan color should go all the way until this part of like the tail. For some reason, it's only part of the head. And also the beak is the same color as most of its body, unlike Hypsilophodon, where its beak, like the top, is black. It's still a good figure. The articulation, the head moves, and then the legs as well. They move as well. And the tail as well move. The scan code for the rebirth ones are on their feet, unlike the Chaos Theory Hypsilophodon, which is on the backs, on the back. Oh, there you go. Make sure it can stand. Next is the Strike Attack Herrerasaurus. Here's the front and the back. Oh, there's also another little strip on the leg. Alright, Herrerasaurus. An interesting yellow and kind of black design with all this little spots over here. Although the sculpt is, it's okay at least. I mean, the sculpt is not perfect, but I guess it's still kind of a good sculpt. I mean, the articulation is still good. It has the arms that move, and the legs, which one of them has a scan code. The tail connects with the action feature, where if you twist the tail, it will just chomping and its waist will move. Interesting feature. We'll put him right here. Next one is the Abelisaurus. The Wild Roar, I think it's called Wild Roar. Yes, Wild Roar Abelisaurus. I have it in its little, like some sort of bag. Let me just open it up. And just remove the little box. There we go, Abelisaurus. And here's the packaging itself, the actual packaging. Here's the back. I actually have one of these ones. This is Wave 2 Wild Roars. And one of the ones I have is the Spicecephalus right there. I have showcased it in another video, if you're wondering. However, we're just doing these ones. And the Spicecephalus is in another video. But anyways, let's just open this up. Okay, and also has a little strip that's preventing this dinosaur from making any sounds, and I also have to remove the tail as well too. Here's the tail, and let's get into connecting. There you go, and we'll remove the strip. Place that there. Anyways, Abelisaurus. A really good paint job with the blue and black and the red. Although the sculpt is slightly weird. What is this supposed to be? What is this supposed to be, actually? I'm curious. It does not look like a dewlap. It's like a weird little thing. It's like a frill, but this is so weird. It has this thing. What is this supposed to be, actually? I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. I mean, the head sculpt is fine. It's good. I mean, this is just weird. I mean, it's not bad, but it's unique. It also has it looks like it has some sails, kinda. I don't know. Articulation, the arms can move. Same with the legs. They can't spread out. They can move. And this part of the tail can move. Only 360. For the action feature, you can twist the tail. It doesn't make noise until you make some sound effects when it goes up and down. Okay, so this one does have sound effects from other other dinosaur toys that make noise, but it does have one that is only unique to this one, I think. Let me just try and hear it. Here's the speakers over here. I think that's the one. I think that's unique to this one only. That one's definitely from some of my Jurassic World toys. They have that kind of sound effect, maybe. Same with that one. That one's, I remember that one. And that's the unique one. Interesting figure. Has kind of a weird design, but you know what? I'm okay with it. Last one is the largest out of all of them. The Purosaurus, possibly one of my favorites because, I don't know, I like crocodiles. I mean, I guess also, the paint job is really good, and so is the sculpt. Look at that. Like the little osteoderms, and this part of the osteoderms when they just increase in size and then like start decreasing at the end of the tail. And it's a nice face. And it's broad looking, the jaw, the snout, which is like very broad looking, it's not narrow. For articulation, it's pretty limited to the feet. Oh, I'm not sure if I showed you a Belosaurus scan code, but it's right here. And then you also have the Purosaurus. Here it is. You cannot move the front limbs because they're tied into an action feature. What was that? I feel like a mosquito got in my ear. That's weird. Or some insect. Hopefully it's not a bee. Although it was kind of small. Anyways. What was that? Oh gosh. Sorry, I don't know. Difficulties. Just something went into my ear. Which is so weird. My gosh. I hope it was not a bee because it would have stung me already. Probably not. It's probably just a mosquito and I squished it probably. Anyways, back to the Purosaurus. It has an action feature where if you turn the tail left and right, it'll chomp. And if you twist the tail, front limbs will move, and also it'll tilt its head to one of the directions and chomp. Honestly, one of my favorites, Purosaurus. Anyways, that's gotta be it for this video. These are all the ones I've unboxed. Let me put them in one specific area. That insect just almost went into my ear. Anyways, that's it for the video. Like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications to follow for more. Follow for more by turning on the notifications, and see you later.